हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे YouTube चैनल पे। आज का वीडियो करंट अफेयर्स और जनरल नॉलेज पे बेस्ड है। आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। तो आइए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं।
Author of Revolution 2020. Answer: Chetan Bhagat. Light of Asia is written by. Answer: The Light of Asia, subtitled The Great Renunciation, is a book by Sir Edwin Arnold. Arrow missile was launched by which country? Answer: Israel. Which company created MS Office 2000? Answer: Microsoft. Which country is completed the first human trial vaccine for COVID-19? Answer: Russia. Which state will organize Khelo Games? Answer: Haryana. Where is India's biggest rail engine factory? Answer: Chittaranjan, Asansol, West Bengal. In which year Battle of Ghaggar was fought between Afghanistan and Babur? Answer: 1529. How many bytes are there in 1 KB? Answer: 1000. Chairman of 15th Finance Commission is? Answer: N.K. Singh. Which is India's 29th state? Answer: Telangana. The trackball is what type of device? Answer: pointing device. Who discovered Big Bang Theory? Answer: George Lemaitre. Bridge connecting Assam and Arunachal Pradesh? Answer: Doya Sadia Bridge, also referred to as the Bhupen Hazarika Setu. Current CM of Goa? Answer: Pramod Pandurang Sawant. The Republic has been written by? Answer: Plato. Commonwealth Games 2022 will be hosted by which country? Answer: Birmingham, England. Present Governor of Telangana? Answer: Tamilisai Sundarajan. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award 2020 given to? Answer: First, Rohit Sharma, cricket. Second, Mariappan Thangavelu, Paralympic high jump. Third, Manika Batra, table tennis. Fourth, Vinesh Fogart, wrestling. Fifth, Rani Rampal, hockey. What type of tax is GST? Answer: indirect tax. Founder of Indian National Congress? Answer: Alan Octavian Hume, 1885. In which year Sanchi Stupa was observed as UNESCO World Heritage Site? Answer: 1989. Current Chief Minister of Kerala? Answer: Pinarayi Vijayan. Who is the present Prime Minister of Japan? Answer: Yoshihide Suga. Launch vehicle of Chandrayaan-2? Answer: GSLV Mk3 M1. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana is related to? Answer: Skill Development Initiative Scheme. Full form of HTTP? Answer: Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Where is the headquarters of International Court of Justice? Answer: Hague. BIMSTEC member. Answer: Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Nepal, and Bhutan. Environment protection law was established in. Answer: 1986. Who is the head of DRDO? Answer: Satish Reddy. Which country developed first COVID-19 vaccine? Answer: Russia, Sputnik 5. Article related to Election Commission in Indian Constitution. Answer: Article 324. Gobi Desert is a part of which continent? Answer: Asia. Saddle Peak is situated in. Answer: Andaman Islands. Earth Day is celebrated on. Answer: 22nd April. International Women's Day is celebrated on. Answer: March 8. Commonwealth Youth Games 2021 was going to be hosted by. Answer: Trinidad and Tobago and is now postponed to 2023. Total Ramsar sites in India. Answer: 42. Who is the writer of Raj Tarangini? Answer: Kalhan. 55th Gyanpith Award was given to. Answer: Akitham Achyutan Nambudiri. Kundankulam nuclear power plant is situated in. Answer: Tamil Nadu. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana is related to. Answer: Saving scheme launched back in 2015. Seven Sisters States of India. Answer: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. Mountain pass connecting Jammu and Srinagar. Answer: Banihal Pass. In which year did Bengal Division was happened? Answer: 19 July 1905. Second Battle of Panipat was fought in. Answer: 5 November 1556. Who is the current Bihar governor? Answer: Fagu Chauhan. Which is the longest highway of India? Answer: National Highway 44, NH 44. Chikankari embroidery associated with which place of India? Answer: Lucknow. Prathna Samaj was established in. Answer: 1867, Mumbai. Who was first Tirthankar? Answer: Rishabhanatha. IPL 2020 was hosted by which country? Answer: UAE. Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh. Answer: Jairam Thakur. Vande Bharat Express runs between. Answer: New Delhi and Varanasi. Sabrimala temple is located in. Answer: Kerala. Who has been the youngest president of India? Answer: Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, 64 years, 67 days. Khelo India 2020 was held in. Answer: Guwahati, Assam. Which state has the longest coastline in India? Answer: Gujarat.
दोस्तों, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए। चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा, जिससे आपको हमारे आने वाले वीडियोस की इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती रहे। आप ये वीडियो अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हैं, जिससे कि वो भी इसका फ़ायदा उठा सकें। दोस्तों, आपसे मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए नमस्कार। भारत माता की जय।